Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Macrorify Rox. First, you'll need to download the Macrorify application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open it and accept the terms, then grant the required accessibility and screen capture permissions. Next, choose your device type, whether it's a mobile phone or an emulator. Finally, navigate to the in-app macro store and download the specific Rox macro you wish to use. Once Macrorify is set up, switch to play mode within the application. A blue button will appear. Now, open Ragnarok X, Next Generation, and move your character to the specific in-game spot, like a fishing area. Tap the blue Macrorify button, then press play. You can then select a macro, such as a daily macro for tasks that run once, or a helper macro designed to loop indefinitely for activities like fishing or gardening. Macrorify offers robust customization options for your macros. You can edit recorded actions to adjust timings and precision, ensuring they perform exactly as needed. Grouping actions helps organize complex sequences, making them easier to manage. For more advanced automation, leverage image detection to react to specific in-game elements, like a battle starting. You can also add conditional statements and fine-tune delays for highly responsive and efficient macro execution. Before using Macrorify, be aware that automating gameplay might violate a game's terms of service, which could result in an account ban. For best performance, ensure your game is set to English, as many macros are designed for this language. If game updates alter the interface, your macros might need updating too. Should you encounter any issues, reach out to the Macrorify community. They often provide quick fixes and support for various macros.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.